I welcome you all to this seventh day and last day of this introduction to pranayama session. So we have been together for past 6 hours, and this will be the last 7th hour in this particular session. I welcome Girish and Tejasvi, the two instructors who are with us from past 7 days and bring us to learn the basics of pranayama. I think by this time, all of us know, I think I was counting yesterday around 12 asanas or something like that we have learned. 12 or 13, if an instructor should correct me if I'm wrong. I think 12 asanas we have learned. So that if we can continuously practice, definitely it will be benefited to all of us. So with this opening remarks, I will hand over the proceedings to Tejasvi, who will be taking us through the next 1 hour. And I also request all of you to join for that 9 o'clock program where all the doctors will be addressing on an array of hope and health for COVID-19. COVID-19. So now it's over to Tejasvi.
Friends, before Tejasvi sir takes over, I request you all to stay back till the end of the program. There is few announcements that Girish sir would want to make. So please be there till the end of the program.
Yeah, don't go in between. And if somebody wants to continue for next 1 week or two, so how to go about it, maybe Girish and all, we can discuss that also. Over to Tejasvi.
Good morning to all of you. Hope I am visible and audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Today, I'll be taking the pranayama section for an hour. I request all of you to be with me throughout the session and actively participate. Let us all sit in Vajrasana if possible, or any other comfortable asana. Hands in Drona Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Gentle smile on the face. Let us observe the external
Voice ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
activities.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಲೋ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ.
Is it okay now?
I think should be okay now.
We are all sitting in our comfortable asana. Hands in Drona Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Gentle smile on the face. Slowly, let us start observing the external activities. Birds chirping sound. Insects buzzing sound. Vehicle movement sound. Clock ticking sound. Slowly bring your observation to the tip of your nose. Observe the air entering the nostril and coming out of the nostril. Inhalation and exhalation happening on its own. Observe the expansion and contraction of the chest. Observe the blood circulation. Observe the heartbeat. Slowly at the psychic level, let us synchronize the external observation and the internal observation.
Tejasvi, voice has to be increased, it seems. Tejasvi,
I have kept it maximum.
maybe your voice has to be increased a little bit louder. No, when you speak, I think it should be a bit louder.
This state of mind is called yogic state. Let us try to be in this state for a while. Observe your mind calming down. Slowly join your hands. Bring to Namaskara Mudra. Let us chant 3 times Omkara, followed by Shanti Mantra and Guru Mantra. Complete exhale first. Deep inhale. Om. Sahanavavato Sahanau Punakto Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Slowly bend down. After our pranam to Ganapati, Ishta Devata, Kshetra Devata, Nada Devata, let us thank SPYSS Samiti, seniors of SPYSS, Ramaswamy Anna, farmers, soldiers, doctors, and the COVID frontline warriors. Let us keep our hand on our eyes. Come on. Try to see the divine light within ourselves with a closed eye. Give gentle movement to the eyes within the close. Up, down, left, right. Let us rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Bring our palm in front of the chest. Do gentle palming. Apply the divine energy on the eyes and the face and to the entire body. Now we have prepared our mind. We'll start with Vibhagiya Pranayama, sectional breathing. We all know it. We have been doing from past 6 days. left hand in Chin Mudra on your left knee, right hand on your navel region. Deep inhale, and while exhaling, we have to chant Akara. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Vishranti. While relaxing, notice the vibrations in your stomach region caused by chanting of Akara. Let us move on to second type. Our hands in Chinmaya Mudra. Place it in between the thighs, hands on the chest. Deep inhale. While exhaling, chant Ukara. Both hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Observe the vibrations in your chest region caused by chanting of Ukara. Now let us move on. Hands in Adi Mudra, left hand. Place your left hand near your navel region. Right hand on the neck. Feather touch. Deep inhale. While exhaling, chant Makara. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Observe the vibrations in your neck region and upper chest region. Now we will move on to Purna Shwasa. Prakara 1. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka, Puraka, Rechaka. Palm facing down. Inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka. Inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka. Both hands in sideways. Inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka, palm facing upward. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka. Both hands in front of the chest. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka, palm facing opposite. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka. We have finished 3 times. We'll do 4 times. Bring both hands in front of the chest. Interlock your fingers. Bring the hands in front. Drag your fist. Turn your palm. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka. Crown level. Inhale, exhale, Puraka, Rechaka. We are finished. Purna Shwasa. Now we will do movement to neck, Griva Chalane. Inhale, exhale down. Puraka, Rechaka. Straight. Inhale, exhale left. Inhale straight, exhale right. Puraka, Rechaka. Puraka, Rechaka. Straight. Inhale, exhale, complete left. Inhale straight.
Don't stiffen the neck. Please loose the neck. Do it.
Inhale straight. Exhale, complete left. Inhale straight. Exhale, complete right. Now we will do rotation to our neck. Half inhale, half circle, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka. Anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Puraka, Rechaka. We have given movement over neck. Now we will cleanse our nostrils. Left hand in Adi Mudra on your left knee, right hand in Prana Mudra. Close your right nostril and do forceful exhalation in left nostril for 10 times. Relax. Now again close your left nostril and do forceful exhalation from right nostril. Relax. We have completed the initial preparation for the pranayama. Now we will start doing pranayama. Let us chant both our hands in Namaskara Mudra and let us chant Pranayama Mantra. If you know it, chant with me or just listen. Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam Tridiveyat Pratishtitam Madeva Putran Rakshasva शीश्च प्रज्ञांश्च विदेहिनः. Both the hands in Prana Mudra on your both knees. Let us do Anuloma and Viloma. Normal breathing. Slow, deep inhale. Slow exhale. I will give the counts. Inhale from both the nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्. षट्, पञ्च, चत्वारि, त्रीणि, द्वे, एकम्. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax and observe. Relax and observe the Anuloma and Viloma Pranayama changes part by Anuloma and Viloma Pranayama on your body and the mind and on your respiration cycle. Now we will do also both the hands in Prana Mudra, left hand on left knee. From our right hand, we will close the right nostril and start doing Siddha Kuru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्. षट्, पञ्च, चत्वारि, त्रीणि, द्वे, एकम्. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Observe your left nostril and the right nostril. Observe the changes. Now we will do Surya Anuloma. Your left hand Prana Mudra and your left knee. Gently close your left nostril with the help of right hand. We will inhale from right, exhale from right only. We'll start Siddha Kuru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्. षट्, पञ्च, चत्वारि, त्रीणि, द्वे, एकम्. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Vishranti. While relaxing, you need to observe. Observe the respiration. Observe the body. Observe the mind. Now we will do Surya Vedana. Here we will inhale from right and exhale from left. We'll do prana, both hands in prana mudra, left hand on left knee. Gently close your left nostril. Siddha Kuru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्. षट्, पञ्च, चत्वारि, त्रीणि, द्वे, एकम्. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Relax and observe. Now we will do Chandra Vedana. Here we will inhale from left and exhale from right. We will do gently close your right nostril. Siddha Kuru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्. षट्, पञ्च, चत्वारि, त्रीणि, द्वे, एकम्. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. And observe. Nadi Shodhana. It is combination of Chandra Vedana and Surya Vedana. One Chandra Vedana and one Surya Vedana may finishes one cycle of Nadi Shodhana. We will inhale from left, exhale from right, again exhale from right, and inhale from right and exhale from left. In between, we will be holding our breath. We will do together Siddha Kuru. Gently close your right nostril. First, complete exhale from left. We will start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekam, dve. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekam, dve. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekam, dve. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekam, dve. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekam, dve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ekam, dve. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. एक द्वे 1 2 3 4 5 6 एक द्वे 6 5 4 3 2 1 relax both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax and observe. Today we will learn about Ujjayi Pranayama. Here you have to do conscious breathing. We will try to take breath and breath out as if there is a valve in our throat region, neck. The effort for inhalation and exhalation should happen from throat region. Here, the air goes out and comes in from nostrils only, not from mouth. Initially, we will practice from mouth, and after that, actual Ujjayi Pranayama, inhalation and exhalation happens from nostrils only. But just imagine the control is in your throat. I will show you a demo once. Both the hands in Prana Mudra. Gently open the mouth and inhale. Close the mouth. This is only practice for actual Ujjayi Pranayama. Just to bring your consciousness to the throat region. That's why we are inhaling from mouth. Should make a sound from the throat region. Let us all do together. Gently open your mouth and do exhalation, inhalation. One more time. Hope you are able to do it, and hope you are able to bring your consciousness to the throat region. Now we will proceed with actual Ujjayi Pranayama. This was only practice for Ujjayi Pranayama. Actual Ujjayi Pranayama, inhalation and exhalation happens from nose only. Just imagine the effort for inhalation and exhalation is happening in your throat, as though there is a wall sitting in your throat and you are doing inhalation and exhalation.
Sir, we are not able to hear you. If you can be a little loud, sir.
I don't know what is the problem. I am speaking loud only. Am I audible now?
So now it's much better.
Tejasvi sir, pull the camera towards you still more. Only up to the chest level visible is fine. Yes. Perfect.
Hope now it is better.
Much better.
Better, sir. Better.
Okay. Should I do preparatory for Ujjayi once more?
You can continue the practice. Yeah.
Yeah, I will do actual Ujjayi pranayama. Just imagine there is a wall sitting in your throat and it is controlling the inhalation and exhalation. And the effort for inhalation and exhalation is happening from the throat, not from the nostril. But air going in and coming out happens from nostrils only, not from the mouth. Your mouth remains closed. Both hands in Prana Mudra. I will show you demo once. But air while going in and coming out will rub the tissues in your throat so that you can get the sound. You can make the sound. We will practice together. Siddha, Kuru. We will do 3 times. Relax. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra and relax. Hope all of you are able to do it. Continuous practice. With continuous practice, you can achieve it and do it much better. This is a very good pranayama for thyroid glands, and also it clears your throat and make the windpipe clean. Observe your throat region. Observe the dryness and coolness in your throat region. Now we will move on to Shitali, Shitkari and Sadanta Pranayama, which we have learned yesterday. Process is similar. The only thing is the way you keep the tongue and your teeth will be different in each of these. We'll start with Shitali Pranayama. Your tongue will be in tube shape, folded like this, and air passes on through the tube. And after the inhalation, we'll bring, after the inhalation, tongue goes back to normal stage, and we will put our neck down, hold it for 5 counts. After that, we will bring our neck up and do exhalation. We will do together both the hands in Prana Mudra and on both the knees, Siddha, Kuru. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhalation from nostrils only. One more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Relax and observe. relax and observe the coolness. Shitali pranayama as brought to the body, mouth region, throat region, chest region. Observe. Now we will do Shitkari. For that, we have to fold our tongue like a masala dosa, and the bottom portion of the tongue should touch upper palate of the mouth. That is called Kechari Mudra. And the inhalation happens from sideways of the tongue, both sides. And we will put our neck down, and exhalation where after we bring our neck to straight. We will do together Siddha Kuru. One, two, three, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Observe. Observe the difference between Shitali and Shitkara. Now we will do Sadanta Pranayama. Both our jaws, bottom jaw and upper jaw, one on the other. Inhalation happens in between the teeth, and we'll put our neck down for 5 counts, and exhalation with our neck erect. We'll do together both hands in Prana Mudra, Siddha Kuru. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck erect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck erect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck erect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Relax. Observe your mouth, the cooling effect, and the freshness. Now we will do Brahmari Pranayama and Dhyana, and after that I will chant Jyotir Mantra. We will chant together. For Brahmari Pranayama, we have to keep our hands in Shanmukhi Mudra, little finger on chin, ring finger above the lips, upper lip, middle finger on the nose, and index finger on the eyes, and thumb on the edge of the ears. While inhaling, we will open both our ear and nose to full and do inhalation. And while exhaling, we will completely close our ear and gently press on the nose so that half is open. And while exhaling, we will do Ma Jainkara. Like that. We will do 3 times. Let us do together. Siddha Kuru. One more time. One last time. Let us bring both the hands in Hasta Mudra. Keep your eyes gently closed. Observe the vibrations in the head region and the entire body. Caused by Brahmari Pranayama. Observe the silence. Observe the thoughts coming in. Just to witness it. Don't react to any thoughts. Observe the vibrations slowing down. With the slowing down of vibrations, mind is becoming very calm and calm. The vibration slowing down is giving very soothing effect to the mind. Observe it. Observe the effect of pranayama on the mind. Let us try to be in this state forever. Bring both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Let us chant Jyotir Mantra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us bow down. offer our pranams to the Ishta Devata, Kshetra Devata, Nada Devata, seek blessings from the farmers, doctors, soldiers, offer our thanks to SPYSS, seniors of XPYSS, Ramaswamy Anna, offer our thanks to the Mother Nature who has supported us throughout our practice session. Gently place your palms on both eyes. Try to see the colorful lights within the closed eyes. Give movement to the eyes within the closed. Move it up, down, left, right. Give rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Bring both your hands to the chest level. Open your eyes to Karadarshana. Let us chant Karadarshana mantra. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule sthita Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Do gentle palming. Apply the divine energy on the eyes and the face, and also on the entire body. Again, let us bring both the hands in Namaskara mantra. Let us chant Loka Kalyana mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Harihi Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let us put on again. Amma. I thank the program organizers, both Srinivas, Venkatesh and Yatish, for providing us the opportunity. I thank SPYSS Samiti for enabling me with the knowledge. I also thank the Mother Nature. I thank all the participants who have actively participated with me together for an hour. Thank you very much. If you can practice on your own, you can do this within half an hour or so. So I request all of you to continue the practice. Pranayama is very good. It is very good for health. If you have liked the session, it is because of the treasure of the knowledge which our sages, ancient sages, has given us. And if you don't like, I think our effort is not up to the mark. I thank you one and all. Hari Om, Girishana.
Yeah, thank you, Tejasvi, Girish, and I request all the participants to stay with us for another 5 minutes. If Girish has got something to say, let him finish off and we can wind up the session. Girish? Yeah.
Thank you, Srinivas sir. Thanks, Tejasvi, for taking this wonderful session. So today, you have introduced Ujjayi Pranayama. That is the breath which really, brings the victory inside. Where, the quantum of the oxygen increases. Also, whoever is having high blood pressure, right? Okay, this reduces the pressure on the heart. So, it is really a good pranayam. Definitely, you have to practice it more and more. So, all of it we are doing for what purpose? Every human being will be having 5 lives. One is, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, one is your personal life, okay, which is relating to me, self, and everything. The second one is the family life, where, we are all having the parents, spouse, children, and everyone. The third one is the professional life. We'll be interacting with the clients and the government officials and all. The fourth one is the social life, where, we are part of the society. We interact with so many neighbors and everyone. And the fifth one is the spiritual and the divine life. So every human being will be having these five part of the life. But in all these five part of the life, we want to really achieve the best, and say and all, we used to try to achieve the rank, that's how we study. So always our effort is there to reach and gain the maximum benefit. So for all the benefit of these five lives, we have to increase our capacity at 5 levels. So the first level is the physical level. Unless I am strong, I can't do anything. My health, my bones, my tissues, my breath, everything has to be really in a proper way. So that is my, the physical life. The second one is the psychological life, where, I'll be doing a lot of activities. I'll be seeing many things through the senses. We have 5 senses. We'll be doing a lot of observation. We'll be getting a lot of information. So, whatever we see it, we'll take an interpretation of out of it. So psychologically, I have to be really, really strong. The third one is emotional life. So the emotions, comes along with the next stage of the psychological level. We form something around whatever I am seeing, right? Okay, if we see mother, all of a sudden we feel that, okay, the kind of love and affection, right? Okay, this is what. When you see the small kids playing, we see the godly thing. So the emotional life is really, really important. And the fourth one is, which is our intellectual life. Intellectual life, because this is important, because we have to take the decision. Whatever the emotions we have, we may not take a right decision unless you have a right intellectual, capacity. So intellectual life really, really keeps everything important. The last one is the spiritual life. Whatever we do it, everything we have to surrender to the humanity. So the SPOSS is doing since last 41 years in improving these 5 aspects, so that we behave appropriately in the 5 lives of the human being. So we are almost having 1,000 branches in India, and around some 15 to 20 branches abroad. So all of it are teaching yoga full free of cost. They don't charge anything. Only expectation is, okay, you have to come with a full consciousness and full devotion. These are the 2 things which we expect everyone. So during this pandemic period, SPOSS is conducting a lot of programs, the 15 days program, the 21 days program, and the continuous the activity. So the first program is called Yoga Parichaya, where we introduce the yoga. The second one is Yoga Pravesha. After completing the Parichaya, we enter them. We'll start trying to teach them the asanas and all. And the third one is Yoga Nirantara, means continuously we'll be practicing. See, Sage Patanjali says, before doing pranayama, we had to keep the physical body very strong. That is where he said that, okay, you have to do asanas, the physical exercise. That is where, in last 1 week, we had many questions. Should I do pranayama after the walking or before the walking, before the physical exercise or after it? Always it is better to do all of it, after the physical exercise. And how we have to prepare our body, that we teach through the asanas. So all of it, we have a program, constructed in a very methodical way, so that we get the maximum benefit. So for all your benefits, to understand it more, I'm not sure, because this WhatsApp group is going to continue for a longer period. As such, we'll always deal with many WhatsApp group. It may not be a right way. Again, to continue this WhatsApp group, it's Kota Srinivas sir, has to take a call. But if you want to know about our programs, our the sessions, we have created the one link in the Telegram, so that if you become a member, we are going to inform you what are the upcoming sessions. For example, from tomorrow onwards, the same pranayama is going to continue by SIRC also. That is again is going to be an introduction, but you all become a little bit masters, in last 7 days. So you don't want to repeat those things. You want to continue in a similar way in continuous fashion, right? So the sessions are getting conducted by SPYSS. Almost like every day 400 to 500 members are joining, so you all can be a part of it. So I have put the the Telegram link in the chat box, so please enroll yourself so that you will become aware about the programs. This is a Telegram link, so you may have to download the the Telegram app, and then you have to subscribe yourself. So with this I conclude. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak about SPYSS and the upcoming programs to the members. I thank Kota Srinivas sir, Venkatesh sir, and Yatish sir, because they have taken all the effort for the CA fraternity. It is not easy because in the background he's talking to me on a day-to-day basis, spending a lot of time for the CA fraternity. I thank really Kota Srinivas sir, Venkatesh sir, and Yatish sir for giving this knowledge to all. Hari Om and thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Girish, and thank you, Tejasvi. It was really a wonderful week. 7 hours we spent together, and a lot of things have been learned from all the members. If something has to be said, maybe Yatish can speak for 2 minutes and Venkatesh for 2 minutes. Yatish would like to say something. Yatish, everybody is asking for that recording and all. Maybe regarding that, you can say 1 or 2 sentences.
Happy morning, everyone. First of all, thank you, Tejasvi sir and Girish sir, for taking out time. We found it, doing pranayama was very important to us, and we just thought, why not share it with more of our friends? And you readily agreed to it. Thank you so much for that. I'm sure each of our participants have benefited from our project. With regard to the recording, it is becoming a very large file, but we have the recording of all the 7 sessions. We will see how best we can compress that to a format and share it with all of you. That we will do on the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, Yatish. Venkatesh, you would like to say a few words? Venkatesh Babu.
Yeah. Namaste. Happy morning to one and all. As Yatish said, we attended 7-day session of Girish and Tejasvi, and we at the end of the 7th day, casually we were discussing with Kota Srinivas, and we said if Kota takes the initiative, reach will be better. So me and Yatish volunteered, and then that's how we were able to conceptualize this program. And I hope all the CS enjoyed these pranayama sessions. And honestly, we are really happy that more than 100 people have enrolled or continuously participated for 7 days. And I hope this Nirantaravaagi continue ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That's what our Girish sir and Tejasvi sir is explaining. And with respect to Girish and Tejasvi sir, as I said in the 2nd day, I know them for more than 25 years. Okay, they are my hostel mates, and Girish was my roommate. Okay, and we have seen the progress. I sincerely request to continue this pranayama session. And again, I would like to thank and acknowledge the effort put in by Kota Srinivas for the betterment of CA fraternity. Thank you.
Thank you, Venkatesh. I should also thank both the coordinators who have given me immense support to do this particular program. Venkatesh Babu, thank you, and Yatish, thanks. And my thanks goes to the SPYSS organization, which is preaching this yoga throughout the world, and also my colleagues or my friends. As Venkatesh Babu said, even I know them from past 30 years because we know them as students. So Tejasvi and Girish, I thank both of them for this session. Friends, with this 1 week we have learned how to do pranayama, and as we know, only once we continue to do this, we will be better. We know practice makes a man perfect. So this also makes perfect. So we have a session from tomorrow at SARC. If you are interested, you can join that. Otherwise, maybe if you people are interested, we can have for another 1 week, because the lockdown has gone up to June 7. Maybe the next week we can have this thing where we ourselves can practice. we can have a Zoom meeting from 7:15 to 8:15. Those of you who are interested, we can have one group. We don't want to have two pranayam groups now, because around 500 people registered, but 150 only participated. So we can bring it to one group. Those of you who are interested to do after next week, we can give the links through this what do you call this Zoom, and all of us together can do. And if any of those days, if either Girish or Tejasvi are available, or any of their friends are available, we can request them to take one day. That also we can plan. That will be from that is from 31st of May to 6th of June. If all of you are interested, I can plan that. So with this, we conclude this session. I thank all of you for taking interest. I hope all of you would have immensely benefited with this. As we say, prevention is better than cure. So these are some of the things where you have to be, you have to learn how to prevent certain things. So I can only, at the end of the day, I can say, those of you who have not got vaccinated, kindly go and get yourself vaccinated at the earliest possible time, and be positive and test negative. Thank you, one and all. I wish all of you enjoyed this, and for 9 o'clock we have a session, as I said, from SIRC. Kindly register for that. 5 doctors from Bangalore are addressing entire southern region. So that is a ray of hope and health during COVID-19. They will also talk about prevention and cure. So it will be a very useful session. I want all of you to register and do it. So with this, we conclude this session. Thank you once again. Pranams to all of you. Hari Om.
Sir, everyone can put their experiences and learnings and any clarification in WhatsApp group. So CS sir is going to open it for some time.
No,
please
now
put
today it will be open. Let them put it, and if they want to have a group, I will tell them we can make one group and we can close the other group, so that if anybody is interested or if they want some clarification, they can keep asking in that particular group as such. Thank you, Girish.
Thank you everyone once again. Hari Om.